Ever seen those gym videos where 3D models train on their own and the movements look insanely realistic? Let me show you how to make viral 3D gym shorts using AI. First, open ChatGPT and go to Explore GPTs. Search for a GPT that generates AI image prompts for realistic or cinematic scenes. Start a chat and type a gym idea. The GPT will give you a detailed prompt describing a cinematic gym scene. Copy that prompt. We're going to use it to create the video. Now open Grok AI and go straight to the video generation section. Paste the prompt in because Grok AI generates videos directly, not images. If there's an animation or motion prompt box, add something simple like 3D gym model performing intense training movements with dynamic motion. But for now, we are gonna type bicep curls, click create, and Grok AI will generate a short 3D gym video automatically. Here is the video. Now after the here is the video, I tested this with bodybuilding poses, cardio movements and strength training, and every clip looks scroll stopping. Perfect for faceless gym pages and viral fitness content. Here are the results. I'm here to help every time, so if you like the video, subscribe to the channel and expect more.